That's how we're spending our snow day. Since I'm the cruise director of this vessel, we're having a burping contest. Ready? Who's going first?
Me.
Okay, go.
Wait, can I do my ABCs?
Sure. Just don't puke on my table.
Okay, is it going? Is it going? Okay,
Clean that stuff up.
subscribe and like, just like the other video.
Hurry up. Oh, that was weak. Oh, that was a good one. Here, let's close up here. Make this rated G. I'm gonna get some cash. Oh. What you got, Carson? Are you playing? Are you doing this activity? All right, Austin. What are you doing? Are you having a seizure?
No.
Oh, that was a good one.
That's the biggest one.
What you got? Oh, that was good.
That was the biggest
I'm
one.
going to clap myself for that one. That was a good one. What? Dude, what happened to your hair?
I don't know. I just woke up.
It looks like a big old, like, elephant just came up and said, and just licked it, and it stayed that way.
I don't know.
Okay, Carson, you got one. You could win. You could be the tiebreaker. What you got? What you got? Come on, Austin.
I'm still doing my ABCs.
Hurry up. What letter are we on?
You.
Oh, no. Oh, that was a good one.
W.
That was nice. You're supposed to blow it out, Austin.
I got one.
Okay, go, Carson. Hold on. Here's Carson. Oh, my goodness.